Yeah, another edition. I'm gonna keep this shit coming. Certified mouthpiece, man. Look out for that there, though. Money all on my membrane. Loco, insane. All I know is this LV. Riding around with that chrome thing. I lay hits all night, been cocaine. All wide, put a couple stones in my jaw, right? Then I hit your ass with that alright. I lay low, caked up. Lame niggas hate us, nigga. Real bitches pay up, nigga. Boss niggas get they weight up, nigga. I'm about to ball out. VIP going all out. Got bad bitches, boss hoes. Niggas know what the fuck I'm talking about. Nigga, I'm with the business. You don't wanna be on my shit list. I'm parlaying with the white boys playing beer pong, sipping hen, getting lit. Y'all done got me fucked up. Hot shit, burnt up. We the last of a dying breed. So how the fuck is y'all gonna learn us? I'm in a trap house on a blade, nigga. We all in it to get paid, nigga. You ain't got to be Italione, homie, to get made, nigga. My partners is way out. No need to pull them K's out. I just wanna catch a fade, show you what this vague about. On the same field, but not the same route. Real shit then came out. Put a couple bands on your neck, nigga. Get your ass laid out. Do this shit, constantly moving, grinding on them, fresh to death, like Il Ruse, styling on them, Coochie jean down, pro clubbed up, I got goons all around, nigga, J's of the Chucks, what? Yeah, and I got to give you what you want, fucking a chocolate little bitch, lingerie and a pumps, yeah, niggas can't see me like they tryna find Nemo, my style's done swolled up, nigga. Debo, stepping out the crib, these niggas is trying to go ham on me. My life is priceless, so I'ma keep a couple bands on me. I play for keeps, nigga, that's cold game. A Russian and Belizean bitch with some throat game. It's raw dog, no need for the vest anyway, cause my niggas is running round popping niggas melons anyway. No clean with the tool, I'm clean when I'm cool. A lot of niggas say they know me, never been seen with the dude, yeah.